Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to appear offline on Roblox application using your mobile device. To appear offline on Roblox, first of all open up your Roblox app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page of Roblox, go ahead and tap on More at the bottom right corner. In the More menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Now click on Visibility and Private Servers. Click on Visibility on the next page, and under Online Status, click on No One. Now once you choose No One, you can effectively be offline on Roblox. That is how you can easily go offline in Roblox in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.